Hola chicos y chicas, ¿qué tal? Vamos a aprender el ciclo de vida de una mariposa. Hello boys and girls, let's learn the life cycle of a butterfly. Mariposa. Mariposa is a butterfly. Huevo. Huevo is an egg. Oruga. Oruga is a caterpillar. Chrysálida. Chrysálida is a chrysalis. First comes the mariposa. The mariposa lays a huevo on a leaf, lays an egg on a leaf. Huevo. From the huevo hatches an oruga, a caterpillar. And the oruga transforms into a chrysálida, a chrysalis. And from the chrysálida emerges a new mariposa. And this cycle goes around and around. Now it is your turn. How do you say butterfly? Did you say mariposa? How do you say egg? Did you say huevo? How do you say caterpillar? Did you say oruga? How do you say chrysalis? Did you say crisálida? Muy bien. Gracias por ver y aprender conmigo. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Adiós.